Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So if you've ever wondered how you can view your files in Windows 11 without actually opening an individual file, then just a quick video to show you how you can do that. Now, basically, if you don't want to waste time opening several files to check the actual content and details of that file, a file viewer could help in that regard. And a file viewer will let you check your files without opening them and can also help you view files if you don't have the compatible software to open them. So if you don't have the necessary or compatible third-party software to view your files without opening them using a file viewer, then just to let you know about two simple ways you can do that using Windows 11, a built-in tool with Windows 11, and also the Microsoft PowerToys tool, which is also maintained and developed by Microsoft, which you can download from the Microsoft Store. Now, first of all, using the first method, which is Windows File Explorer's preview pane using details. So, as an example, you may well know that if I hover over a file, I get some basic details regarding each of those files. But if I head to my details in the top right of the File Explorer, and I click on that, and I head back and I click on a file or an image, here we can get some extra details regarding that actual file. So here we go, we can see the name. I can share that directly from the details pane, and then we get type, size, file location, date modified, dimensions, and we can even click on that toggle, which takes us to the properties menu and dialog, where we can get some extra information regarding that file. So it's just a built-in file viewer basically that gives you that functionality if you don't want to waste your time opening several files to check them. And then somewhere else where this can work to some extent or the other is if you click on a PDF, the same applies. We get some extra information, sharing capabilities and properties regarding that. And if we just head to a basic text document, the same would apply. So you get the idea. So that works. And if you have the apps installed, that will work on a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, PDF, PowerPoint, or an image, as I've shown you in this video. So that's using the built-in details and preview pane that comes bundled with Windows 11. And just on a side note, if you're not seeing details here at the top right, you just head to your view and you just change it to details pane, as I have. So that's the easy way. And then something else you can also do is you can use the Microsoft PowerToys, which I've posted on quite numerously on the channel, and I'll leave a PowerToys playlist in the end screen if you would be interested. And you can use Microsoft PowerToys, the Peek tool, which basically is a quick and easy way to preview files. So all you do is once it's toggled on in PowerToys, and as mentioned, PowerToys can be downloaded for Windows 10 and 11 from the Microsoft Store. It's a totally free app developed and maintained by Microsoft, and is free. It doesn't cost anything. Using Control and Space, if I head back and I click on that file and I use Control and Space, you can see it opens up basically a preview of that file. And the nice thing is I can actually resize this little preview to my own personal choice and preference. So you get the idea. I can also pin that. And obviously if I hover over that, unlike viewing an image in Photos as an example, it will give me some information once again regarding that image or that file. And the good news with this is if we head back to our documents and I head to a PDF and I click on that, and using Peek, Control and Space, there we go. I can actually preview that PDF without actually opening it up, which I think is a very nice move in the right direction. And then just another basic example, if we head to a basic Word file and I go Control, there we go. Now this won't actually open the Word document, but it does give us a bit of extra information, and you can always open that in this case with WordPad as an example. So those are just a couple of ways that you can preview files and look at files and view files in Windows 11 without actually opening that said file or image. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.